The Ever-Changing Subarctic Climate by Grace and Cecilia. Many years ago, there were lots of animals, ice, and native people in the subarctic climates of Canada and Alaska. Everything was in balance. Over time, the climate has begun to change. The air and water have warmed, possibly due to human pollution. As a result of this climate change, ice has melted at a much faster rate than normal. In September of 2005, the amount of sea ice hit a record low. Between the years of 1979 and 2005, a sheet of ice twice the size of Texas turned to water. This is a 20% decrease in the normal amount of sea ice. In some places, permafrost covering all of this climate has warmed by 3 degrees in a period of only 16 years. With less ice, there are less places for animals to live. Polar bears especially need ice for things like feeding, mating, and sleeping. Because of the warmer climate, this ice is melting, causing polar bears to drown, cannibalize, and starve, significantly decreasing in population. Because the Yukon River has risen 10 degrees, many of the salmon are infected with a new parasite. Many other types of fish have been reported as a decreased population of anywhere from 50 to 85%. There have even been reports of walrus and seal pups abandoned because the parents could not supply enough food. The heating of this climate is also severely affecting the bodies of water and wetlands. They are shrinking tremendously at average rates from anywhere from 30 to 88%. These shrinking bodies of water severely affect the birds and fish that rely on them, as well as the plants that grow in and around them. Because there is less water, it has been reported that native plants are dying out. Trees have been drying, causing them to be more susceptible to harmful things. Boars that eat trees are able to survive in the warmer winters. And due to the loss of wetlands, fires are more easily fueled. Due to the loss of ice and trees, shores are eroding because they are no longer held together by the roots and ice. This causes houses and structures to crumble or become unstable. The culture of many people is also being threatened because of this climate change. Shores eroding cause many artifacts and graves to be destroyed. The climate is changing too fast for people to adapt, and many places are becoming unfamiliar to the natives. Is this the kind of place that you want to live in? Based on the way that the subarctic looks today, how do you predict the rest of the world to look tomorrow? Why are the animals of the subarctic climate disappearing?